Alright, so we're going to pull the head off this motor. It's a crossflow. Milwaukee fuel impact wrench. I don't think you're going to be able to get them. No. You have to pull the rockers off as well. So we'll get them off. So we'll undo these. Okay, we should be able to still leave these in place. I'm going to pick the whole head up. Oh, get the socket off. So the head starts at 14mm, and the rockers are only 13. But this should allow us to get in there. Like that head is undone. Should be able to pick that up. Put that on that bit of cardboard there. We lost only one push rod. 1, 2. So let's have a look inside. So the old head gaskets got corrosion, a lot of carbon in that cylinder, a lot of carbon in the whole engine. It was having carby problems when Dad was driving it. The insides all look pretty sweet. I'm just going to go and grab some spray lube. Righto. Now I'd like to think we can quite easily turn the engine over. Stick something there. Doesn't fit. Something here will. I don't want it to be too big of a lever. I want to be able to... maybe not. We'll leave that until... well, paint. That one. Multiple spray cans going on that I've just had in my hand. Certainly don't think it's all locked up, it's just sitting tight, which is all good. So we'll get the head gasket off. Which is a monotorque. So it's had one before. Got a whole VRS kit for this engine, so we're going to do a few things. Gaskets and seals and stuff. As you see, it's not blown, but the water galleries are disgusting. So it's going in the bin. Just because this has been sitting, I'm going to give this all a pretty good soaking. Then I've got to bring my good petrochem degreaser back with me, put the cardboard or a bucket down under it and give this all a beautiful scrub. That will be good to put our new head gasket in. I might wash all the push rods and everything separately. Might even take them to Pokey's Mechanical and use his parts washer. But yeah, we're into the engine. Nothing looks too bad or feels too bad inside the bores. Like I say, it's just been sitting for, I haven't wound it over for 2 years, so it's been still for a while. But next time we see this on the video, she'll be rotating, and I'll bring a LED light out so we can have a good look in the bores, and I'll show you what they're like. Yeah, that's how quick it is to take a head off a 250 crossflow fabric. Job done, Bob. So then the other things we're going to do is we want to paint the blocks, so we've got to depopulate everything. Engine mount, oil filter, that distributor's not staying on. A few other bits and pieces that we'll remove and get rid of. Might even put that distributor up for sale. Someone will probably want to buy it. There he is. Didn't think it hit the ground. Yeah, thanks for watching. A bit more of a update on the Pano84. Painted those in ceramic high temp too. They're looking really good. Finished sanding them up. Waiting for a mate, so I did some sandblasting, and yeah, they come up looking mint actually. This is the stuff. It's cast iron colour, ceramic coat. Yeah, they're high tech headers, those ones. Give them another coat before I leave and let them dry. But, we'll get this thing built and put back in soon. And I need to get some parts for the auto, and we'll do some rebuilding on the auto and get it all back under the car. Thanks for watching.